With me is Jeff Tresman, Chairman of Punter Southall Financial Management Limited. Good to see you, Jeff.
Hi.
Let's put this in context, first of all. This is an enormous piece of work that the FSA has done over the last 4 years, and it's intended really to bring, bring your profession to a professional standard. Absolutely,
and I think it's broadly welcomed by most of the financial advisors in the UK. The work, as you say, has been 4 years in the making. It's a 150-page document. It was only released.
Jeff Tresman, thank you very much indeed for joining us this morning. And that's all from Your Money for this week. More personal finance news is available on our website.